The Southern African Development Community SADC has come under fire for issuing a statement that falsely characterizes the situation in Mozambique as one of the hostilities and tension destroying property and infrastructure. Sanabina mashoko atuna kuti aiwa this SADC block issue dangerous false statements neku-misrepresenta the Mozambican crisis. Loti bo subscriber or like out on the bell icon. Tipina pana pambe pana urezi mbanyara chiti. Contrary to these claims, multiple live videos have surfaced showing that the destruction of property and the looting of businesses are being orchestrated solely by the Frelimo government. These acts of sabotage are reportedly intended to falsely implicate civilians and the opposition. Similar past this statement Rombudizwa the SADC from the SADC Secretariat handle Ulanyira Chiti. Statement by Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of the United Republic of Tanzania, the chairperson of the SADC organ on politics, defense and security cooperation on the post-election political and security situation in Mozambique. We are deeply concerned by the continued loss of lives, injuries, destruction of private property, and the public infrastructure. The current situation has caused significant economic challenges on the nation, disrupted cross-border trade, and hindered the free movement of people. SADC calls all parties to exercise restraint and refrain from actions that escalate violence and unrest. It also reaffirms the readiness to assist through appropriate mechanisms in facilitating a peaceful resolution to the existing challenges. We therefore appeal for an immediate cessation of all hostilities, while reiterating the importance of prioritizing the well-being and livelihoods of the Mozambican people. Do mashoko statement inobuditsiwa nevakomana with the SADC group. Tinoona kuti vakomana vanokomenda vanobuda vanyara vachiti SADC failure to acknowledge the clear evidence of Frelimo's agents destroying infrastructure and staging these events is casted out on the ongoing Block C neutrality. The statement calling for the cessation of hostilities and dialogue is seen by many as an attempt to mask the government-sponsored terror that has been documented extensively. No mashoko anobuda atogana pachonoti aiwa vakomana varamba vachibudisa false statements vachiti aiwa opposition kana kuti ma-citizens ndo vari kukonzeresa, but vari vakomana veFrelimo vari kutumwa vachikonzeresa all these distractions, vachiuraya ma-citizens, vachikonzeresa aiwa this loss of life. Vanouya vachita as if they do not know what's really transpiring, but vanyazozoti aiwa ndivo vari kuuya vachitodriver the unrest. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii mafungiro kuchitiko ichi. Nyangome section medu dzemafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.